UNITY programmers, welcome back in my tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how we can run the two camera at the same time, or you can say how we can show the two display at the same time. So how we can done this? So let's see. You can see that I have a little setup over here with the surface and the houses, and I also changed the color of the my sky. So after doing this, we have to do two things actually. First, we have to go to the hierarchy. This is called the hierarchy window. Here you can see the hierarchy, and right click and you will get here the camera option. Choose the camera and just rename it the first camera. Right click, choose this camera and name it the second okay, so now we have the two cameras over here. First we have to untick this box because I don't want to show the second camera view at this time. I want that only the first camera view shows on the screen or scene, sorry. So here you can see. Now we have to place our first camera at that point where we want to show our object or stuff we want to show on the our scene view. So I'm going to set it up at that point. Just do as I do. Just drag at the back side, little more up and over here. Okay, so after doing this, just press this game view over here. You can see that I have my house. So I want that when I press the first camera view, I show my house over here. So for this, we have to change two things in first camera. First, we have to change the clear flags to the depth only. You can see that. After this, we have to change its depth from 0 to 1. Here, press the Ctrl S for saving your changes, what you done yet. Now, just press play. You can see in the display one, show only my house. Here, now just go to the second camera and just tick box. You can see. After that, in the second camera, I want that you have to place the second camera at that point where you shows your background. So just I want that in my background shows all these houses. So I'm just going to set my camera. Okay, so choosing the second camera, and also we have to change its clear flag and its depth. So just change its clear flag to the solid color. You can see that in the game. Choose the display to. Actually, we didn't target our display here to display to. Just choose the display to. Now just go to the game view. You can see that we change our background. go back to the scene. Now we do not need to change the depth of the second camera, so it's 0 as it is. Just again press Ctrl S for saving our scene and just press play. Here you can see that it shows our display 2. Just go back to the display 1. Here you can see this is the our first cam view. Just again go to the second cam view. Go to the first, go to the second, go back to the scene. What we do the wrong thing. First camera, yes, here we didn't tag our first camera to the main camera. So tag this and again Ctrl S for saving our scene and again press play. Here you can see the our second cam view. Display the 1. Just press again the display 2. Again press 1. Nothing is happening. It simply shows the display 1 and the display 2. Okay guys, the problem is that we can't see the our house in our background, so I change this house color here by simply create a material. Here you can see, just right click and go to the create and choose this material option, and simply by choosing this albedo here you can change its color as you want. Here you can see, simply just drag and drop into the house as you want to change its color, like see. Okay, so just press play. You can see the second camera view which shows the background we set up yet, and just go back to the display 1. You can see that we have the first camera view with the second camera view. You can see that we set our first camera view only showing this house, but we can see here the more houses except this one. So it means we run our both camera at the same time, but it's not clearly visible, so we have to change again the second camera background position. Press play. Here change the display 1 and the 2. Again you can see that at the middle we have our first cam view, and at the back side we have our second cam view. So now I guess guys you will be understand what I am trying to say. So I hope guys you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next tutorial.